Well, let's hear that part about the lakes of Minnesota.
Lakes in Minnesota, from the hills to Tennessee, across the state, Texas, is the sea, the shining sea.
You got shy. You were doing such a beautiful job, buddy. I want to hear the part where it gets loud again.
No, it's quiet.
Oh, okay. Well, can we hear the quiet part then? You were doing great.
The lakes in Minnesota.